Hello everyone, I'm a data scientist and turning complex data into simple insights. So on this channel you will learn Python, machine learning, data visualization and real world analytics through hands-on projects. So in today's video we'll discuss about prompt engineering. So this video will help you if you are a beginner or you are a data scientist and who is learning Gen AI or AI. So this video will help you to understand the prompts and how the prompt engineering will work, right? So without any further discussion, let's get started. This is the first line. If you are new or beginner, then it is mandatory to learn like what is prompt engineering and how it is working, right? Prompt engineering is nothing but it is just a science of giving the right instruction to AI, because the AI is artificial intelligence. So whatever data you will feed to machine learning models, it will work on the basis of those data and model building activities, right? Prompt engineering, if you are using any LLM models or ChatGPT or Gemini, so prompt engineering will help you to provide the right instructions and right content or right prompt, so will it will give you better result. So see, simple, if you are writing something to ChatGPT, so it may be possible it will provide lengthy answer or unnecessary content which will waste your time, right? So for that purpose it is mandatory to understand what is prompt engineering and how to write right correct prompts. So here I can say you, right, if you are writing or providing prompt to ChatGPT or any GPT models or Gemini or any other models, so you are just simply write explain gravity. So as a result it will provide you basic answer, because see, GPT models or LLM models are trained on very large number of text data, right? So it is using Wikipedia, it is using so many trained contents. So it will just provide you those simply matching contents to you, right? So but if you are writing some more shorts, like explain gravity like I'm 10, so it will provide you better and tailored answer. If it will be easier to you to understand the content provided to you, as like it will understand like 10 years of each kid is reading this prompt, so it will provide you simple example and simple content. Why does it matter? See, a well-crafted prompt saves time, right? So if you are simply write, I need a resume for data scientist, right? So it will provide you all the details related to data science job profile, right? But what if you are writing like provide me a resume of data scientist who is having 5 years of experience, who has done this education, or who is having skills of AI or Gen AI or whatever data analytics skills you have, right? As a result of that, it will consider all this information and provide you the correct output. So basically, it will saves your time, it will boost creativity and gives accurate output. And also, if output is mentioned, like it is you are providing prompt like I need that resume in PDF format or Word format, right? If you want to do some editing after generating resume, then you will ask ChatGPT like provide me a resume in Word format, right? So it will provide you in that form. So it will save your time. It is superpower for students, professionals, and creators, right? If you are professional, say you are a coder or you are a developer. So if you are writing your problem or your code, which is difficult to explain or difficult to decode, right? So it will help provide you those content, those code, and if you are creators, then it will provide you whole speech or content, everything, right? Like after some time, we'll write these prompts to ChatGPT and we'll see how it is providing output. So we'll use this resume example and two, three more examples. So we'll get a better idea how this prompt engineering will work, right? Basic prompt structure. So in basic prompt structure, I have added three things: task, context, and format. So I have taken one example in which you are writing a blog on AI. So write a blog is your task. What do you want? Context you is nothing but you are adding some background information. So on AI for beginners, this is your context, and the format is nothing but what ever output you want, or in which format you need your output. So here I need my output in 5 points with examples. So this is my format. You can add anything like list, essay, table, or PDF, or CSS, or Word, or Excel, anything. Okay, so your structure of prompts should be in a manner so that any OpenAI model will understand it properly, or any Gemini model will understand it properly, and it will provide you the right answer. Types of prompts. So in day-to-day life, we are using this kind of prompts like instructional prompts, where you are providing some instruction like provide me some professional or technical words only as output, and if my profit will be above 45,000, then you should write this in some flag or some good text or content or categories, right? And role-based prompts are you are providing like your uh, output should be in a format so that it will show you like it will like types of prompts. Instructional prompts are nothing but you are providing some instructions to your prompt, like you are writing this essay in a particular format, or you don't use some harsh words, or you should use some polite words so that 10 years of kid will understand it easily, right? Rule based prompts are you are just guiding your prompts, like you have to behave in a such a way, or you have to act like a data scientist and provide me some easy and feasible solution for my problems of fetching some information or to predict something. So this is rule based prompt. In few short prompt, you are just providing some more details to your prompt. For example, zero shot prompting. So write an essay on data science or on AI, right? So it will consider just a basic information, and it will provide lots of details on AI. But if you are writing like provide me details on AI which is recently added in 2025, and so it will provide only relevant details with few shot, right? So here I have taken two example. One is for role based, in which you are writing a prompt like you have to behave act like a career coach and help me write a LinkedIn bio. Okay, in few short, I have taken example of like give two examples before asking for the third one. Okay, now move to prompting do's and don'ts. So here make sure you are following this rule or instructions, because see, if you will follow these instructions for every prompt in your every prompts, it will help you to get good result, accurate result, and it will save you lots of times. Okay, so do's are be specific. So if you are asking something or you are writing a prompt, be specific. So if you are a coder or Python developer or Java developer, then make sure you are writing that behave like a Java developer, or act like a Java developer or Python developer, and provide me this code in structured and more professional way, right? So this is the way of prompting where you are providing more specific information. Make sure you are adding some examples so that it will be easier to understand it more particularly Because the LLM model, as I have told you, LLM models are trained on vast data, vast textual data, so that if you are providing example, it will trigger only those information. Set format or tone. Okay, so if you are writing a news or some polite content or essay where you don't want to use harsh words, but it should be more professional and more specific, so make sure you are adding this information in your prompts. Don't is be too vague, okay? Don't be too vague to your prompts, otherwise it will be not you. It will not be more creative, okay? And don't mix too many tasks, because see, if you are mixing too many tasks, like you are behave like a Python developer, and also provide me some web development thing, and also provide me some deployment of website designing, and provide me HTML code. So if you are using this all information in your one prompt only, in one content only, then it will be like your LLM models will be confused. So it will mix all the things and will not provide you the correct output. So I have taken two example. One is for bad prompting and one is for good prompting. So bad prompting is that tell me about marketing, because see, marketing is very vast subject, right? You will get lots many information on marketing. But what if you are writing explain digital marketing trends in 25 in bullet points? So it will be more particular. It will provide only information of 2025's marketing trends. Not only just marketing trends, it will provide you digital marketing trends. And also you will get results in bulleted points. These are various tools used for prompt engineering. So ChatGPT is many people are using it in their day-to-day activities or day-to-day tasks. Cloudy, Gemini from Google, Midjourney, which is used for image, and Prompt Hero. So these are LLM models, and which have already built or and trained on large language models, so which have used lots of text information. And use playgrounds to test prompts are OpenAI and Hugging Face, which are used for like used by data scientist or AIML or Gen AI developer. Real world use cases we'll see in our chat GPT. Then you will get more idea about how this information or prompt engineering will work. So if you are a job seeker, then you will use it to build your resume, interview preparation, because if you are writing like I am a data scientist or AI engineer, and I'm having 7 years of experience or 8 years of experience, and I have uh, this job details, and most like I have to give interview for uh, this company name or industry you can mention. So it will provide you questions and answers which can help you to prepare your interview. For students, it will provide study summary, because see, it will save your time, because there are lots of essay, lots of books available in the market for your particular subjects. And if you don't have that much time, obviously you have to read the basic concept, but at the time of exams or building some of your projects, so you it will provide you the study summaries, and also flashcards. If you are a developer, then it will help you in generating your code in very professional and very systematic manner. So mostly people are using it, but yeah, obviously they are wasting their time as well, because they are not aware about prompt engineering. But if you are using right prompts, and it will provide you correct result. So here you can see I've used example like generate a Python script to automate email. So it will provide whole end-to-end process like and pref Python script which you can directly use to your system. So now it's time to practice whatever we have learned. Obviously, it is not enough, but if you want more detailed video on prompt engineering, then you can write in the comment box, or you can send me a mail. And here we are trying some prompts like summarize the Harry Potter series like a tweet. So as a result of this, it will provide you more detail, more like a tweet prompt, so that you can directly post it to your Twitter account. And again, you are just enhancing those prompts, like now tweak it to 8 and summarize it in a Shakespeare tone, which will be more a poetry kind of thing it will provide, and it will the result will be more in artistic way. So let's try to do this in ChatGPT. So now it's time to do some practice, because without getting your hands dirty, you will not learn so many things, or specifically if you are a technical person. So let's try with this basic prompts which we have discussed during our theoretical part of prompt engineering. So here I am just writing explain gravity, which is very basic prompt, right? So let's see. So if it is providing detailed or and every formula which is not required, right? So here just I'm adding the time team, and I want to do some presentation of the slide. So here you can see it will provide you more accurate result. So gravity is a force that pulls things towards each other. It is what keeps us on the earth. That's why when you throw a ball of it comes back down, and how it works. It is also providing some example as well. So here it is providing some fun gravity effects, which is generally used by 10 years, or which is easily understandable by 10 years old kid. So let's move to other part. Here I am providing some instruction. So here it is writing a blog on AI for beginners in 5 bullet points. It will provide you only 5 things. You can add 10 or 20 or as per your requirement. Here I am using it for specific result. So it will provide me the result in accurate way. Okay, this is the final thought. Let me be more specific. So here I am providing the role as a prompt. So it will act like a career coach. So it will provide few questions as well. So you can write as per your criteria, your current role or industry, your key skills or areas of expertise, which kind of role or responsibility you like for, achievements, tone preference. So here it is asking all the details which we have discussed in prompt engineering. Okay, so you can add as per your requirement. Let me try both this prompt. Tell me about marketing. So you can see here it is considering all the marketing related concept, and it will provide me answer in detailed manner, which will be time consuming, and also it can misguide you. Here I want some information on digital marketing trend. Obviously it is not detailed instructions, but yes, it is more specific than my previous question. So here it will consider only 2025 trends, which is more to AI, voice search, smart assistant, search form of video, multi-channel, CPU consideration, everything. Okay. Here you can see if you are a data scientist, AI engineer, then it might help you. This is a very simple example, but you can write the complex example as well, where it will help you to build a complex system. So here you can see it is providing all the basic requirement to build this system. If you are a Python developer or a data scientist or an ML engineer, then you will have some idea like which library it is required, right? So here you can see it is providing all the information. Here you can see it is providing functional overview of structure of system. Here you can see it is using class tree, which is object oriented which is used by professionals. And you can see here how to use this file in the same software. So all the information will be provided by ChatGPT. Now let's take the example. Summarize the helicopter series letter fit. These are very basic things, right? So it is just providing hashtags, some words which can be used by recruiters, right? Now you can see here it is more poetic too. Now I prepared one example, one more prompts which is more specific, more detailed with guidelines. So here you can see I have added role which I am mentioning like you are a professional UX copywriter with experience in writing high converting product taglines and feature highlights, right? With 10 years of experience. I'm adding few more details. Here I'm bifurcating these things. Okay, you can skip this. I'm adding tasks. So I am just providing in instructions in which I am adding task, and I am just writing a product description, in which I am just telling ChatGPT that I need product description and tagline for a smartwatch which is targeted at tech-savvy millennials, and the age will be 25 to 35, and who value functionality, right? Because see, if Gen Z and Alpha Beta, this generation demands something different than millennials. Okay, so that's why I'm being more specific to these words. So this generation is more into health tracking and sleep design, right? I'm also adding context which we have learned during our theoretical part. So this copy will appear on the product details section of a mobile app shopping interface. The brand has a modern minimalistic aesthetic and emphasizes lifestyle enhancement through technology. So I'm being more particular to product description and to detailed things. So you can see here I am just adding this hashtags. It will be covered in our next videos. So you are just providing this information of your product. So it will just consider these things, and few things will not be considered, right? So here you can see I am adding brand, model name, color, material, display, features, life, water resistance, and all the information related to particular products. So this text is nothing, but it will just provide you the overview of product. Here I am adding guidelines as well. So here I am just providing information on tone part and words, like on the basis of words reader view will identify like which tone is it, right? So keep the tone clean, modern and aspirational. Use emotionally engaging words. Keep the tagline within 8 words. Use bullet points for features. Avoid jargon so that it will be easy to understand. And for output format, I need a tagline. So I can add my tagline. I can skip it here. Okay, let me just add it here so that it will automatically provide me tagline in this area. Description, a short paragraph followed by a bulleted list. You can skip this, or you can add like if you need 5, 10 bulleted list. Okay, so let me just press enter. So you can see here it will avoid all this, it will consider, but it will not provide you these things in your output. So the output format will be in this two things only. Okay, so here you can see this is my tagline, which is small and specific. Live smart, move free, per store X5. This is my description. You can see here it has considered all this information, and it is providing me in a content form more polite and specific manner. These are key features which can help millennials to get their life better. Okay, so also it has added one more line which is more attractive. So you can do anything, or you can provide any role specification, task, context, guidelines, or output format. So it will, if this things will be given to model, then it will provide you more accurate answer. So I hope this is clear now. You can provide me details on your task which is complex and you are not able to get the right answer. I will help you to solve your task in detailed manner and effective manner. So if you like this video, then hit on like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.